Good afternoon, student. I am S. Gunalan, SG. I am welcoming you all for the new semester in the third year. Okay. I am welcoming you for new semester in the third year. I wish you all for the bright future for the upcoming new academic year, which is very important academic year. Because we are entering into a new online era, because the direct classes are not happening because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So these online classes will make you a greater effort to learn from online. So it is very important academic year for any student. And I also particularly congratulate your family members and friends who are helping us in this occasion. If they are helping us means in this COVID-19 condition, which is very critical, in this particular critical time, your family members and friends supports is very important. On the other hand, you also support to them in a very right way. So this you may ask about whenever I came to whenever I'm coming to the classes, you are normally ask n number of questions. Now we will be having a lot of doubt on COVID-19. So when I came to your classes in the January, when you are in second year, if you are in my class, we are approached each other as a prosperity and fruitful future new year. But unfortunately, this new year also came with the COVID-19. So we are all aware about that. Since January, this COVID-19 era has been started. It is now a pandemic situation. Since we are born after the 70s or 80s or 90s, our entire generation never affected by these kind of infectious pandemic. The last pandemic was happened in the year of 1957. We doesn't know what happened at that time. That time the medical as well as technological aspect are not grown this much. But now we are all the technological aspect and everything has been grown very fastly. But rapid growth also is there. But I'm not happy about the how we are handling the pandemic situation. So now we have to understand what is how the COVID-19 is very severe to the public. So when there is people in your nearby or your family or your friends, those who are having already having a comorbid conditions like diabetes, heart disease, renal disease, and any other severe chronic diseases, people are vulnerable to COVID-19. They have to take much respect to the COVID-19 and they have to follow strict disciplined action in their life for another 6 months at least. The next group is the history of chest infection patients. The people who are already having a history of chest infection are very vulnerable to COVID-19. And the other group of people is the people who are infected by the COVID-19 and having a severe symptom means they are unable to breathe, severe fever. These conditions are peoples are very much cautious while taking the treatment in hospital, and they have to take care. These three group peoples are must be take care very carefully while the COVID-19 pandemic situation for at least another 6 months. So this is the basic fundamental information about the COVID-19. You may be having any number of doubts. You can ask later whenever when we are chances to talk each other. Now the other situation is what are all the do's and don'ts in COVID-19. When you are switching on your TV or mobile phone or the websites, there is lot of information about do's and don'ts in COVID-19 condition. The WHO and the central government and the state governments are clearly recommended that what are all the do's and don'ts in COVID-19. So the first and foremost priority uh, aspect is you should wash your hands regularly with soap or hand wash or hand sanitizers, because these COVID-19 infections are very much attracted by our hands. So when you are touching your noses and other parts of your body, then there is a chances of infected by COVID-19. So we have to thoroughly wash our hands for at least 20 seconds as per the recommendation. Then the second one is, if you symbolically show to the other people, you want to show to other, I am against the COVID-19, you have to wear a mask when you are going outside. Whenever you are going out of your home, you should wear a mask, and you are reflecting to the other people's, I am against the COVID-19. Then third and very very important aspect of COVID-19 is you should maintain a social distance of at least 2 meters. You may ask that, sir, how it is possible that we are so many number of people are there, 2 meter distance maintaining in a public place is very different. What I am saying is, without COVID-19 condition itself, you should maintain a 1 meter distance in your classrooms and canteens and the corridors. But you never followed that. I keep on stressing that, because not only the COVID-19, any other infection will be attacked if you are maintaining less than 1 meter distance with other people. So now it is COVID-19 condition, you must maintain a 2 meter distance while going out of your home. Even in your home, you should maintain at least 1 meter distance with your families and relatives and friends. That fourth one important point is, eat healthy foods, green vegetables and fruits, and the substance which is supporting to boosting the immune system of your body. So developing a good immune system is much important for this COVID-19 condition. The next one is important aspect is, try to reduce consumption of alcohol. If you are, or your family members, or if you are having friends are having a alcohol consumption habit, the WHO recommends that reduce the alcohol consumption and smoking. Then last one is, reduce your travel for long distance. Even more than 5 to 10 kilometer distance also considered as a long distance now for in the COVID-19 condition. Then having a food in hotels. Now Swiggy, Zomato and Donso are very much familiar with all the families, but I am very much afraid about that hotel foods. Try to avoid the hotel foods. So these are all the important do's and don'ts in your COVID-19 condition. So I hope whenever I am giving any suggestions or advices to you, you will try to neglect it. I hope this time you must not neglect these advices, because this situation is very very critical in India and some other countries. So strictly follow the WHO and central and state governments instructions. So now it is very important to attend the online classes, concentrate on it, and you have to develop your academic knowledge through the online classes. So you should concentrate much on this compared to the regular classes, because in regular classes, if you are doing some of the activities in the classes, later you can ask your friends what has been done, and you can somewhat make your improve your you can improve your knowledge. Here there is no less chances. Even you will call your friends also in mobile, they usually talk, you will talk some other important issues, not the subjects. I know very well. So concentrate on these online classes and with safe hands, because while you are learning the classes using laptops and mobile phones, most of the time, even I also some certain times I am directly connected with the plug point, the charges are not there, so I am putting my headphone from the power points, so that a lot of accidents are happening. So you must aware about that and prepare very well for the classes and attend the classes concentrately with safe hands. These are all the important precautions while starting the classes. So before entering into the subject, these all information very particular about the healthy knowledge and mindset and maintaining the COVID-19 situation and safe handling of the classes. Try to avoid mobile phone usages throughout the day with the games, PUBGs and others. Nowadays, the rummy games are there. MPL, your Virat Kohli is always in perfect mode. Please avoid this all this activity. Concentrate on subjects. Try to learn safe. So I want to play some of the videos for you, but in the next classes we will start the videos, because the important manufacturing material management techniques are you can easily understood the through the video sessions. In our regular classes we cannot play a video, so we are unable to identify the regular practices what is happening in the manufacturing area. But here we can put lot of videos so that you can understand it. So now we will start the material management as a subject. So this material management, what is the important is there, sir? The handling of material in a regular practice in any manufacturing or these parcel services, is it a logistic services, or is that much important? Learned is it is a part of the subject. Yes, it is very very important. If you are seeing any of the companies, most of the companies they will promote the marketing team or the financial system. Most of the time you may not see the manufacturing factories directly, but the important point of the product and service is starting from the manufacturing system. So in the finance or HR or in marketing peoples, they will take a series of leaves. They will enjoy with the hotels. They will enjoy the luxury. They will keep on having meetings. Everything will happen in HR, marketing and finance. But in the case of production, that is material management, you have to live in the premises. If you are having a 8 to 10 hour duty, the 8 to 10 hour you have to live with the machines. So it is very very difficult for them, and maintaining the situation as a favorable atmosphere for them, the working people who are working in the production unit. So material management is such a wonderful subject, how you have to maintain a materials in the manufacturing unit. So there are so many important definitions are available for material management. One of the definition I have given here for your reference. So material management is a integrated functioning of the various sections of organizations dealing with the supply of materials and allied activities in order to achieve maximum coordination. So whenever you are doing your regular the programs, our all three program names, I am unable to familiar with that. But when you are doing that programs, you are so much coordinated. But when you are working in, suppose if you are planned to work in a manufacturing unit, the planning and coordination in material management is very very essential. That is what mentioned in the definition. The all allied activities and the materials which is required for any manufacturing facilities, the coordinated approach is required for good manufacturing practice. GMP is there. If you are having a good GMP, your products will be sold without much marketing. No need of higher expense for marketing. the quality will expose that product to sell more in the market. It will get a place in the market. For that, good material management is very, very essential for any company in the manufacturing unit. So this manufacturing material management importance are very, very essential to learn how the material management is so important. So what is the importance of material management? Manufacturing, engineering and finance. Actually, if any company's finance system has to perform very well, their material management system should be perfect. If a company's material management system is very efficient, then the financial system runs very smoothly, because procurement, storage and supply of a particular company will expose the quality of the product and financial input. That is the importance of material management. So procurement, storage, purchase, this has to happen very smoothly for a good material management for a particular company. Then the second one is one of the important of material management is the supply of proper quality of material is essential for manufacturing standard products. Quality of raw materials, which is essential for any manufacturing company. So a proper financial system, for a proper production system, manufacturing system, a quality product is very, very essential in supply. So these 2 points are saying that how material management is so important for any organization. Then the avoidance of material wastage helps in controlling cost of production. You may be aware about the cost of production. Cost of production is for a particular unit of a product, how much cost has been expensed for that particular products. So the wastage minimization is one of the minimizing the waste is the topmost priority of any manufacturing unit and production manager. So that proper material management, you can reduce the cost of production and wastage, so that the profit level will be higher edge, so that the company can do very well against the particular manufacturing. So wastage of avoidance of wastage is carried out by material management. The next point is material management essential for every type of concern. So for any product manufacturing or storage facilities or finished good products, all the areas material management is important part of the it is a integral part of the system. The next importance of material management is the equipment is properly utilized, because there are no breakdowns due to late supply of products. So whenever you are going for if you are know that you are aware about the some of the production units in your area or your friends or some other areas, even in small manufacturing unit, the raw material availability is a important point. If the raw materials are not properly available, the small machineries or the very big machineries, it will be the breakdown will appear. You have to make a continuous production for some of the machineries. So the breakdown of work has been avoided through proper material management. This is one of the important point. Then next important point is the wastage of material, the stage of storage as well as their movement in kept under control. While storing the product, there is lot of wastages are happening. So this material management is proper procurement, proper manufacturing, proper storage and proper supply to the marketing service. So in the case of storage, there is lot of wastages are there. You can avoid it through proper material management. So these are all the importance of material management. So material management is a vast and important part of the management system. You may ask that, sir, I am going to work in a bank. But why I want to learn a material management subject? What is the importance of that? I am not going to store any product, I am not going to supply, I am going to handle only money, that to dollar and pounds and currencies, Indian rupees. Why should I know about material management? If you want to have money in your bank, the material management should be perfectly happened in the manufacturing of any company. Without proper material management, your banks will not have money. This is what now crisis for the world. As per my knowledge, I have visited so many manufacturing units in the last 20 years. No, I will explain how Amazon, all the Amazons, your friends are now in the material management segment only. The manufacturing units facilities are come down. Some of the peoples are claiming that I am a superficial person in the management of finance, so I can manage the material very well. I know when to procure, where to procure, I know everything, I know everything, I know everything. These peoples are closed down the manufacturing unit. There is a systematic material management approach is there. The companies and the managers should follow the text system only, not their own systems, their own abilities. You may know that now in the last 2 3 days I was searching for another laptop to my house, but the people are saying that in Chroma and other other wholesalers or the retailers, we have only 60,000, 1 lakh laptops only, not below 25 or 30,000 prices. I believe that they are totally failured with the uh, uh, material management system. I know that it is COVID-19 condition, but they cannot create a artificial market. These are all the superficial peoples like our. I cannot see you all the faces in every class. Our some of the persons with the mobile phone and giving the information about the what is happening there here, what this fellow is doing, that fellow is doing, but at last they not aware about what is actually they supposed to do. So in the manufacturing arena, now it is a critical time for any company. The material management has to be perfectly managed. For that, as a manager, as a management person, we should very much aware about the material management system. So it is for us, it is very important as a management BBA student. We should have a control on the material management. If any company which is maintaining a good material management system, that is procurement, storage, good manufacturing, finished goods products, and supply to the wholesaler or any particular warehouse, which is contained this integral part of the material management system. I hope one of the important subject which is included in the syllabus, material management will provide lot of information how you have to make a perfect manufacturing system, perfect engineering system, perfect finance system, as well as perfect the integral part of the material management system. So to understand in better way, there is a lot of companies how their material management systems are working out, how their procurement methods in the third year thesis, for the submission of your thesis, most of you will reach the any manufacturing unit or for the research work. That time they will, you have to concentrate, you should remember this material management system, and you can see your by your eyes that what is happening in management system, how many money has been wasted on the waste management. Waste management has to be done properly, instead of that money has been wasted. all these informations you will be learning in future course of time. So this in the first class, so we are understanding that the COVID-19 era, how much it is important for us to learn. Every aspect of our life is learning. The second important part is this online learning system. We are making a generation next. How online is playing an important role in our career development. And third one is this material management subject, actual subject, which is very, very important for the management. If you are managing a proper material management system, then you are having a capability of handling so many departments in an organization. You can easily handle the finance system, also you can easily handle the marketing system if you are having a capacity to having a material management system. So these are all the important points I want to mention that in your first class. I hope you take care yourself as well as your family members and friends from the COVID-19. Be safe, and whatever the do's and don'ts earlier we have mentioned, you should follow. And thank your family members and friends, particularly in the difficult times. Money financial system will be a big problem for all of us in this current situation. Even though you are having money, you will not get the proper required even food sometimes. So these are all the difficult situations the world is facing. But earlier itself, those who are attended in my previous classes of yours years, I told that the situation currently will focus in different environment. So please be very cautious. I earlier mentioned, but unfortunately now it is happening. So it is a difficult time, but we will face it and we will win it the situation. So three important learning through the class. First one is how COVID-19 is very, very tough infection for us. The second one is how online courses and classes are very important. And third one is what is material management and how it is so important for the management system. So happy learning. We will see in next classes. Thank you.